Hi, would you like to know how to use Vidiq, what it does for your YouTube channel, and to rank your videos, and also what you can do to copy other top videos, tags, put into yours? Well, stick around and I'll show you how to use it and how to set it up. Hello, I'm Chris here on christmas.com. Welcome to today's video. So what I do now, instead of talking about it, I am going to switch over now to my screen and show you over the shoulder how to set it up and what you do to help you rank your videos in YouTube. So just give me 1 second. Hello and welcome back. I just switched over now to over the shoulder screen. Okay, I'll show you now, okay, the Vidiq and how to use it to start off with, okay. As I said, Vidiq now is a good little tool. This now what I'm showing you is a free version of it. There is paid versions, but at the moment I've only got the free version, so I explain what it is and how it will help you get your videos ranked on YouTube. Okay, so first of all, you go to Chrome Web Store and type in Vidiq and just install it. Okay, I've got it installed, and then you can see up and here it will install, and then I put a little icon in here, a little icon up top here, okay, and then you can open up then in Chrome. Okay, once in that, it's all set to go, and then you can also click an icon and bring up your home, YouTube dashboard, upload videos, playlist, all here. Okay, so how do you use it? That's how you set it up. So what I do, okay, I just click on to my channel. As you see now, okay, I got one of my videos up, has gone, I've had 1,200 views, okay, and to be honest, that's really good for me because I've done YouTube. I stopped after a while, now I'm back, so I used IQ and another software to help me get ranked. So let me just move my over to here. You can see another one. It is TubeTub, okay, but I won't go up there at the moment. You can see with IQ, it brings up a lot of data okay, to help you show how your videos are doing. So the Vidiq score, key tags, the SEO 63, that's not too bad. It shows all the views on your video and your engagement, and then it gives you a checklist then, okay, what to do. And also then it shows the tags you've used for the video and your channel tags. But this is what you can do. Like I said, how to rank your videos. You can see all this now, 5th, 4th, 5th, that's what the keyword is ranked for. Now, how do you find out them keywords to help your video ranked? Here was good at. If I go now to, let's just type in network marketing, okay? I do some of these tips. Okay, I can see here now, these now are the top ranking ones. You can see, 71,000, sorry, bear with me, 71,000, okay, and one then, whoop, see, sorry about that, I do apologize, sometimes, okay. So you can see that now, one is, my computer's saying up 1 million views. The other one is 26,000. How can that be ranked higher than that? Easy, by the keywords, okay? Shows all, and shows Vidiq showing that tips the highest views, the average views, all data, the search volumes each month, okay? And it shows keywords. Very good. So what can you do? If I go to this person, I click on here, we just press pause, and you're doing a video on network marketing tips, go down here. You can see the tags now. They're there. And this is a good one. This is the video tags this person's used. Okay, you see it around here. Now, this person has used many, but she's ranking very high in it. So what you do, go to the little clip here, click that, and that's copied to your device. And then you can go over then to your channel. Go to my channel, okay? Let me just edit this so I'll show you quickly. Edit. Okay. What I can do then, okay, is put that then. If I click the bottom and paste, and all them keywords are in your description, where you, and also when you edit the video in the tags. Also, quick tip: put them with your hashtag at the bottom of your description as well. Okay, so that is how you can use Vidiq to help you rank and people find your videos. It does take time to play around it, but it's a great way to help me to get to 1,200 views on one video when done properly. Okay, also then, what it does, keep an eye out then on your channel. If I go up here now, also, okay, once click here, you see these Vidiq, you can spy and have a look on what the competitors doing. The trends alert, most viewed, channel audit, and achievements. So if you go to competitors, well, this is where you need to update, okay? But on the trend alerts, okay, you bring up, nope, I can't do it, sorry, because I'm not a pay member. Yeah, most viewed. If you've got a keyword now, it brings up most viewed videos. Just click on that then, and then you have a look at that video, okay, data, and see what you can use on your video. That's a very good way that Vidiq does. Okay, so I hope that makes sense and really does little tips there. What you can do, okay, you can go to here, you can have a look at their website. You can see the basic one is free. The pro one is $7.50 and the boost then is $39. At the moment I got the basic because I use another software as well, which I will do another video of. And you get all these description campaigns, keyword research, okay, on the $7.50. Okay, and with the upgrade, with the other one, you get more. If you're liking this channel so far and you want to see more tips, okay, please press the subscribe button, and I will be updating about softwares, tips, mindset, and strategies to help your business and help your videos. Okay, I will be doing one now. You must have seen on my thing. Okay, is To Use Vidiq as another one where you can. It's a paid one. I think it's $5-6, where you can copy all this as well, and I explain that in depth in the next video or next couple of videos. Keep an eye on that. If I get notified, hit the button below, get notified. But Vidiq is a great tool you can use for your videos, especially YouTube channel, to help you rank and get people to search them. Okay, because if you put in here now, let me just show you a quick. If I go up here, by here. Sorry, go up here, okay. With one tool I got, you can see all these. They show you how many people are searching on YouTube for these each month. So imagine how we're getting a couple of percentage of this each month come to your channel, come to your videos, see more eyeballs on your content. Very good tips, okay? But keep an eye out for them videos. So again, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it came across good. If you like it, put a comment below. If you don't like it, put a comment below. I don't mind. Any feedback's good feedback. And again, if you subscribe to the channel, keep updated with these tips, tools, strategies. I've been doing what to use to help your business, online business, or even looking for one. I'll look description below. Please press subscribe and hit the notification bell. So until then, I'll stand there. Take care.